Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to share details about the X3.com. That is the next level, your trading experience platform. And yes, here no KYC required, no VPN required. This is also on the top 20 as crypto market. Crypto coin market you can easily find here X3.com in the top 20 with the billion of trading volume, and there are trading peer with daily trade and coins. You can even check thousand of coin already available on that. And here fiat spotted currency as there are 105 currency too. And you can even check out there is also the graph of xt.com. Here you can easily check the profile reserve. Everything is here, you just need to come and join, and there are top currency that is also going to be traded in the xt.com. This is the exchange where you can easily come to explore. And yes, here you can even start copy trading, future trading, and spot trading too. How actually this is working, I am going to share it to you each and everything in a fully detail. You need to create account for the first time. You can sign up, and here you can put your email, your password, and optional you can also put my refer code in video description I will given, and then you can easily click on this sign up and your account will be created. As you are also going to start trading, then there you can easily check 600 plus pair are available, and this is also the proven established in 2018. It's mean this is operating securely for 7 years, and you can easily get here up to 125x leverage, ultra low trading fees with 800 plus cryptocurrencies, and even you can also start your maximizing reward on the xt.com. And here you can easily find more options too, and their global presence is also make sure by their team, so you can easily understand, and then you will also make sure to get all the information about it. This is the interface where you can easily come to know about how actually this is working. And there is the graph chart, you can easily buy sell, mean there you can start trading in the spot trading too, where you can also see the margin as 20x or above. And next you can also find there are the currencies, as I have already told you, their native token that is xt with the 5.2578 dollar. This is also increased as their native currency too. And you want to start your future trading here, you can easily click on it, and there is also USDT future, and you can also choose the future trading too. What you are going to select, this is fast responsive website. This is the interface for the future trading. You can easily check here. I have already told you leverage that is going to be offered near to 125x. There is 150x leverage. You can see, as I have already told you, up to 125 mean it's mean 150x that you can easily check here. And then you can also start here, close or open the trade now. You can even check there are many campaigns, like there is also Christmas campaign. Now you can also check here XT Christmas carnival, where you can also get reward for that. You can also do some task that you are going to complete to participate in this way. You can also come, if you want to manage your account, you can also download the application. There are also your email verification, so you can easily go ahead to choose referral reward. Mean there you can also check refer program, where you can invite your friends on this platform, because affiliate spotted are also one opportunity at this xt.com. So join it and inviting friends, that is also going to giving you here 20% as for future and spot trading too. Be ready to join, invite your friends. If you still want to know further information, then you can also come to the CoinMarketCap to explore the information about xt.com. That is also here to give you a complete data. You can easily check here with the market cap how their token is going to making progress. You can easily check here. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.